Find the value of A. It is the given. We have to find out the value of A if you have a vector ax square y plus yz into I cap plus xy square minus xz square j cap plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square k cap. This vector is solenoidal. We have to find out the value of A. Here you have the value of A in this vector, and you will find the value of this vector A where this when the vector will be solenoidal. We know vector will be solenoidal if divergence of this vector is equal to 0. And let us prove that for what value of A the divergence of the vector is equal to 0. The given vector in the question suppose is equal to the F vector. That means F vector is ax square y plus yz into I cap plus xy square minus xz square j cap plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square k cap. Suppose this vector is F vector and it is given that the vector is solenoidal. So divergence of the vector, that is div of F, is equal to 0. We know divergence of a vector can be represented in terms of del operator. If you take the dot product of the vector with the del operator, then that will be called your divergence. So div F is equal to 0 means del dot F is equal to 0. And we know del operator can be represented by I cap partial derivative with respect to x plus j cap partial derivative with respect to y plus k cap partial derivative with respect to z dotted with the vector F, which is equal to 0. And the vector F, here we have written the vector F, which is equal to x square y plus yz I cap plus xy square minus xz square j cap plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square k cap. This is the given vector in the question. And if you take the dot product, then only you have I dot I, which is equal to 1, j dot j, which is equal to 1, k dot k, which is also equal to 1. And all other dot products like I dot j and j dot k, I dot k, they will be equal to 0. So if you take the derivative, partial derivative of this one, x square y plus yz with respect to x, that will be equal to 2xay. If you take partial derivative of this xy square minus xz square with respect to y, that will be equal to 2yx. And if you take partial derivative of 2xyz minus 2x square y square with respect to z, that will be equal to 2xy. So that will be equal to 0. So if you solve it, then you take 2xy, here 2xy, 4xy, you take it to the right hand side, so it will be equal to minus 4xy. So 2xy will be equal to minus 4xy, so a will be equal to minus 4xy divided by 2xy, that will be equal to minus 2. So for the value a equal to minus 2, the given vector f will be here the given vector f means this vector, this will be solenoidal.